Hello everyone, so for today's tutorial I have selected this reference of Sukuna and we are supposed to draw this structure first, so let's get started. First of all, draw a circle of any size in the middle of the paper. The top of the circle points the forehead while the two sides of the circle mark the beginning of jawline, and finally bottom of the circle points the mouth. So next we have to draw a center line, though it's a bit tilted. Next, I'm drawing a line for the eyes. It's not right in the middle. It's like 0.2 mm lower. These two are lines for the eyes, and next we have to draw the rectangles for both eyes, leaving the distance of 1 square on both sides of the center line. Next, I'm marking the nose, and you can see it's right in the middle of this half area of the circle, and then I mark the mouth like this, and then the chin. It's almost the same distance between nose, mouth and chin. I'm drawing this line to mark the ending of the forehead, and then these two lines on the both sides are for the eyebrows. And finally, you need to draw these two ovals for the ears like this, and then our structure is gonna be complete finally. You just need to follow this exact step and you'll be able to draw this exact sketch of Sukuna. Drawing jawline becomes easy once you draw a circle and mark the chin. By the way, don't forget to watch till the end, as you know this tutorial is gonna be easy, and check out other tutorials too. It's a request. And if you like them and think that I deserve a new subscriber, then sure, go on and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for getting notifications in the future. Thank you so much. Time to remove the structure so that it won't cause us any trouble while drawing the sketch. And here I'm starting the sketch from the eyes. You can also start from the mouth or jawline. It will be easy also. And for drawing the eyes, you need to start from the lower corner and go up to the top left corner. Draw the upper eyelid, and after drawing the lens, I will be drawing the lower eyelid and our eye would be complete afterwards. And now just keep on drawing the sketch by following the reference. finally our pretty and precious sketch is complete. It's looking perfect, and now let's remove it to do the outline. And for the line art, I'm using this black ballpoint. You can get it from any stationery shop. But be careful, it's not as accurate as the fine liner. I'm not doing shading with a pencil, but you can do, of course, with pencil. It will also look good. And now for filling up the spaces, I'm using this black marker color. And after thinking a bit, I told myself to do a bit shading in the face too, so I'm here using an HB pencil for this purpose. And it's a normal pencil that we normally use for writing. And finally our pretty sketch is complete, and now let's do my signature in the end. And here's the final look. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you, and if really yes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Love you all.